Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Hi! Nag-sugod na ta.
Sugod ng uri mo.
Sugod na ta.
Where have you been swimming? You say you've been swimming like Yeah, baby. I'll come.
I observe social distancing. Social distancing, sir. Paris. Paris, I love your dress. Wow, can you model it for me? Wow, wow. Celine, how are you, my big pata leg? My big pata leg. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Sanak, hi, good afternoon, Sanak. Good afternoon, Tita and Tita. Welcome back.
To our channel.
Where are we going?
Where are you going?
Where are we going?
To our house.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Hello, people. Good afternoon.
Christina's house.
So, huh?
Christina's house.
Nanay Christine's house. So, dito kami ngayon sa labas ng aming hotel, guys. So, we're all dressed up. Ayan, ang family. Kasi pupunta tayo ngayon sa family ko. Death anniversary kasi ng aking great-grandpa. So, nag-invite yung nanay Lily ko na doon daw mag-spend ng afternoon sa kanila. Actually, doon daw mag-lunch. But it's nearly 1 o'clock. Nandito pa rin kami, guys. Naghihintay pa lang kami ng Uber kasi wala pa rin yung sasakyan natin dito. We're just waiting for yung ating sasakyan. Tapos, alis na rin tayo. Oh. Uy, ate, careful, ate.
I got it.
Careful.
I got it.
I love your dress, Parisico, and your hair clip too.
I'm so good to go backwards.
Yeah?
Yeah, look. I'm upside down.
Lala.
I'm just kidding.
What is it?
I'm just joking.
You're just kidding or kidding? Kidding or kidding?
No, I'm just joking.
Joking, okay. So yung aming Uber ay still, tingnan nyo, 7 minutes away. Wow, 7 minutes away. Alam niyo ba guys, it's over $30 yung papunta doon.
Yeah, we're further away too.
Huh?
We're further away than we are from Kangaroo Point.
Really?
Now, where's that camera?
What camera, anak?
That camera.
Yeah.
You were telling me you are.
Kangaroo Point's south of the city.
That's just a bridge there.
Yeah, it's $7 to get from here to Kangaroo Point.
Yeah, true. Well, 6 minutes now, honey. Sanak be, I am Diana. Nak, dance up for mommy. I am Diana, the princess of play. Yeah, yeah. I wanna take you.
Paris,
You look like a princess, my love.
twist your bum. Twist your bum.
You look like Belle in your yellow dress. I'll show you my stand up, baby. We'll show you your outfit today. That's Daddy's outfit for today.
Mommy,
Ayan.
can you open this?
That is for shave.
Oh, nag-shave si Daddy Mike just to let you know. Nag-shave. Itong sinave, ha? I'm just making it clear about that this is what you shaved.
Yeah, that's trim.
So, I mean,
Never shave, I'm a gay.
please say that, Daddy. Yung ating outfit. Can you show my outfit, Bobby? Here's our outfit
There.
of today. I am Diana. Hey, Daddy. Come on, now. Come on, show your outfit with Mommy now. Look at Daddy. Yay! Ayan, yun lang guys. Yun lang ating outfit. We'll see how far is our thing now. 5 minutes. It's also very exciting guys kasi mamimit namin for the first time yung anak ng aking nanay Lily. Yung dalawang anak niya na babae. So, hindi pa talaga kami nag-meet ever since. So, dalawang anak niya na babae is 31 tsaka 27 ata. Kita-kita lang sa ang tawag dito sa sa picture, ganun, pero hindi talaga in person. So, I'm very excited for that. Nakno, are you excited to see your mga titas and titos again? Paris is going to see, you're going to see titas and titas again? You excited? Tingnan nyo ang kanyang ano sa kanyang kamay, oh, ayaw niya ipatanggal. Kahit malapit na yan siyang na ano, matanggal. Yung ban ay sa kanyang ano ba, arm. Okay, 3 minutes now. Yes, my love, I know. I know. Why are you crying, sweetie? Okay, Stella. I think we have to change your nappy. We just changed your nappy and you have to change again, honey. Good job for wee. There's lots of dee, that's why.
Yeah, because that was too loud.
Well, tomorrow, if the car's there, we'll definitely give it a wash, won't we, Mummy?
Yeah, we'll need a wash.
It'll be filthy.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not damaged.
Yeah. We're nearly there. You excited, Paris?
Where?
No, we're nearly at Lana and Hilly's. There's lots of people there. So we're only, guys, 5 minutes away.
That must be the airport that they were talking about. Huh?
Yes, indeed. Hello. Hello. You're so beautiful, Paris. You are.
Yeah, it is. See? That is very smart.
What airport?
The one Anthony was telling you about, doesn't it? The airport in the Glacier Ridge. See? Yeah, look up, you can see all the airplanes.
Andito na kami, guys. Oh, kaya nga lang ang ating baby girl, ating baby Celine, umiiyak ba? Nababaguhin kasi ang daming tao man. Ay, naman marami talaga. Ba't bago sa kanyang That's okay, we'll go see Ate Paris. We'll go see Ate Paris. Hindi man musugot na. Naghahalak pa yun ay. Dula. Nadaguan siya sa naay.
I think driving was harder than because that's where we were. Yeah. And then in between when you were
Yung Ate Paris natin ay nandito. Ate Paris.
Andre, there's two.
There's more. There's another one here. There's one
You're putting your face at the other one. It's not here.
Maraming kalaro.
Oh, there's another green one here.
Yeah.
There's three.
One. No, there's 5. 1,
What?
2, 3. You don't go 4,
Oh, five.
5, 6.
That's right, my love. See? Ate Paris.
Ko wala ka daw. Bahala. Oh, you call me.
Hey, ito ay umiiyak. Tinan niyo, oh. Walang mukha talaga. Kawawa nila ang baby. Ay, nabaguhan sa mga mukha nila doon. Uy, Stop, Spider. Is that Celine? It's okay. See, Ate Paris there? Yeah, alright. We'll stay here then, okay? What the hell? We'll stay here then. La la la. La la la. I felt like you're planning to make a baby or something.
I'm sorry.
Operation Steel, baby.
Yeah, I was trying
That.
to steal.
How's your arm, Joy? Still okay?
She was
Yeah. About to. About to. Oh, but she's very relaxed with you. Come to mama na anak. Oh, wow. You're a princess.
Oh, yeah.
You're a
Anthony's the
princess. She's Belle.
She's Belle.
He's Beast. Oh, yeah. I could tell.
Mine.
What Paris said before, Mommy, I'm just kidding. I said, like, what's just kidding? Just kidding. Just kidding. It's like, just kidding. I said like, what's kidding? I said, joking. Oh, okay, kidding you mean. I said like joking. I think this one is falling asleep or what not? You're staring at the grasshopper.
Hello.
Hello,
Are you
anybody
awake?
home? Anybody home?
Hello.
Butterflies.
What are you looking at? What are you?
Love your hair, Joy. Did you curl it?
Yeah, and like cut it off yesterday.
Oh, did you?
Because it was too long.
Oh yeah, I know.
You can see
That's
the
right.
split ends and like very dry already. So I was like,
Yeah.
cutting it off.
Did you do it yourself or what?
Yeah, I just did it myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well done. Yeah, I used to do it before. Like I just cut it myself, but then sometimes like it's good when someone else is touching your hair.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's my valve though.
Do another
Yeah,
one.
let me put this.
Oh, do we still have those headbands from Tony's wedding?
Wow.
There you go. See, it's on.
You look like a princess. Ilabas ang kanin. Okay, everyone is following Paris, guys, para kumain. Para i-push na.
Oh, you princess, come here, princess. Our princess. You want to scribble? I got the pencil there. Joanne, where's the pencil, Joanne?
Say hi, say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. So good ng ori mo.
So good na tadi. You want writing something? I got a
We
pencil.
get it. Come on, we have to. Nay, nakakay kanon, Nay?
We understand each other.
Nakay kanon? Kani ako tagaan ako.
I got a pencil there.
A few moments later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, tatay. Bye-bye. See you later. Oh, enough na,
That
anak.
actually makes me laugh is when she does the whispering voice. Paris! Say bye.
We're going home now.
You get it.
Kanina lang ang nabilin diri. Asay mo, Papa Joy? Tulog.
Good job, Paris.
Do it again.
We're going home na. Diyan na sa boot si Andre. Hina-hina nag-uli. Toki. May sa pangalan si Mero, Nay? Ari. Oh, Ariana Grande na rin siya di ay? Ariana Grande.
Lift up your dress.
This is a girl, there's another boy.
Ah.
She's bigger than him.
Where is he? With
Under the
Pilar?
You make the goals. You be the goals. And give each Ethan the kick. Open them up. Yeah, go. Ah, he's done.
Nearly.
Princess done.
Bye-bye. So they're going. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. They're going home. Bye-bye. Bye, vlog. As if naman lagyo kay balay. As if lagyo balay naroon silingan.
Customers units or anything? Like keep it for record, so at least if something happens.
Tingnan niyo
Not
mga
even that,
baby.
like, shouldn't you, I said like, should you like
She's
tell
listening.
the boss, like, customer as well? And the customer, like, you know, the boss and the customer's like, nah, it should be alright.
I'm making Milo, guys.
Tingnan
Tingnan
mo.
niyo.
Don't be pretty like.
Hapon na Milo pa.
But
Ang dami pang pagkain dito.
I don't know. I'm not gonna speak.
Laruan ni Paris.
Yeah. You
Ang daming niluto ni ni Nanay Lily ba? O tingnan nyo, parang may
So you're an apprentice, right?
kasal.
No, it's also, I guess the best way for you to be in that situation is you're the
Umuwi lang yung ibang
apprentice.
pinsan ko, guys, kasi
So as long as you're not
kumuha sila ng mga Uy, ang dilim-dilim. Kumuha sila ng mga damit kasi nga pupunta kami, babalik kami doon sa hotel, sasama sila. Tapos mag-swimming daw kami. Kaya.
You're absorbing.
But before that, pupunta muna kami ng ano guys, punta muna kami ng storage kasi may kailangan akong kunin sa box. And since nandito na naman yung mga pinsan ko ba, tutulungan nila ako. Tulungan nila si Daddy Mike na mag-open ng box. Asa ka na? Dala ko kag martilyo. Panghaon na natin yung mga kuan ko din. Martilyo mo na namo. Si Paris is having some. What are you having, ate?
But I want to change my dress.
It's okay. It's alright. We can wash your dress. No problem.
Damn it! People will see it.
Celine been
So
sucking
what's
today?
it? She's drinking Marlo, huh?
Has Celine been sucking today?
Yeah. No, she's, yeah, probably just scared. There's so many people before. So she's been crying.
No.
Yeah, honey, we will clean it when we get home. We have to change to the unicorn anyways.
Oh no, we can wear another one today.
Oh yeah, different one. Ooh, which one?
Which swimwear do you want to wear? The leopard one?
Oh, that's cute.
I
The
like that
leopard one is cute. So you can have that. You can wear that tonight when Tito and Tita goes for swim.
Are you gonna go swim with your cousins?
I really want to go to swimming now.
Yeah, they will come back and we will go.
Are we going to the... I'll ask Mummy.
Ang dami ng tanim ng nanay ko dito guys, oh. Tingnan niyo, dami niyang bulaklak.
Daddy? Oh, Daddy at Mummy has to Celine.
Hang on, I'll just show Tita and Tito the plants.
I don't so much tired.
Bougainvillea. Can you hear that sound? That's very Philippines. Nagkanan niyo guys, oh. Meron siyang ganito. Ano tawag nga dito guys? Yung may, ano, very sharp na ganito ba? Oh. I forgot. Uy. Once upon a time, ha? Ito siya. Nung nasa Pilipinas ako, mahal kaya nito. Benta nila. But I really love it. I like it. Flower. Ang dami guys. Everywhere. Hanggang doon. Hanggang doon pa ang mga tanim. Ito pa. Tingnan niyo. Doon pa sa likuran. Bye-bye, Nanay. See you soon again.
Let's clean the car.
Okay. We gotta go. Mom, look at you. We're going
Do this so I can get us some in.
Okay, let's go.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah.
We're back in the hotel, guys. Tignan nyo.
Not like that nice.
Nakabihis na sa Ate Paris ng pang-swimming. Ang titos and everyone here. And my baby Celine is here. Hello. You toy? They're gonna go first.
The army, they have this shit like in the army and that.
Ate, you ready? Show me your outfit, Bear.
Army and stuff.
Wow.
They can keep it in there.
Nice outfit.
Backpacks and shit.
Pakitang lubot.
Yeah, it never goes off, man.
I can see your lubot.
Never expires.
Baby.
This is dry there.
Yeah, and it's like, you know, then it's like.
Yeah, I am Diana.
Next.
Yeah. Grapes.
Next.
Grapes.
You just need shorts, eh?
Do you want some?
No.
Did you just stand on Daddy's thing? Okay. Button something. Sunny and Papa.
You go next. No, you will.
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Excited na excited. Oh.
Go together and I'll watch. Just to make it more awkward.
Yes?
There's so many Tito. There's so many Tito in here.
You okay?
Hello, what can we offer? We don't have any drinks actually.
Oh, okay.
Well, I want some of that.
Yeah, this one, grapes.
Thank you.
Baba.
I want some. That's my favorite.
Yeah, Paris loves this one.
I can give me that too. I'm your friend, Teddy Bear.
Teddy bear. Oh, water. Perfect. Paris with Tita Prince. Say hello. Oh, night swimming, oh. Night swimming ang ata, oh. Ate Paris is very happy, guys. Nandito yung mga titos. Ayan. Holiday mode pa rin kami. But you know, tomorrow we are getting the key, the house key. Coming new place. May tita at tito pa kami hinihintay, guys. Sila yung nagmamay-ari ngayon ng ng pool.
Where have you been swimming? You say you've been swimming like Yeah, baby. I'll come. Good girl. You're standing.
I observe social distancing. Social distancing, sir. Sir, social distancing, please. Is the rose among the thorns, oh? The tita is here now. Ayan, hawak na kay baby Celine. Yeah, Hanks, oh, Hanks! Hanks! Smells like chlorine, yeah? Yeah.
Huh? Like your dad?
How about you? Do you want to sit? You want to sit?
Plus your arm.
On the back.
Batman. Okay, ready? Yeah.
Paris, demanding kayo eh.
Good.
Asan na yung mga tao dito? Wala. Umalis na yung ibang tao. Kaya dami na nandun. Yeah, there's something about you not... Wait, Paris. Let Tito Anthony swim na nak.
Say hi to
Can you swim? Say hi, Mama. Hi. Ah, enjoying. Ay. She's always happy when we say like, gonna see your cousins today.
Batman
Is
again?
this always on there like that?
No, actually like
Or do you have to tell the
no, this thing there.
a button?
Yeah, once it goes off, then you can just push it
Like
on
that?
again.
Oh, I see.
It's so cold here.
Is it cold, Jet? Oh, nagtagiya sa pool, oh. It's nearly 10 o'clock at night. Everyone's here. We're waiting for food. Tingnan nyo, we're very messy here, guys. Super messy. Food is here. Celine. Paris. What food you open?
What is that? Is
One is, playing. I don't know what he's playing. The other one is there.
yeah,
They have
Cleveland.
pizza for dinner.
Going to Cleveland.
It's not Tripside, eh? That one? Yeah.
Daddy, I think you're dreaming, Daddy.
Near Cooperoo and the Gap.
Yeah.
Gap is like Malta.
Yeah, it's not. It's not near Cooper at all.
It's like northwest. It's like near Palimba, Hawthorne.
Oh, sinumbaga mo, sinumbaga.
Yeah, I swear, according to I saw it in the maps. It's near Cleveland. I can prove my evidence that's near.
Just look at the map.
Ang sundang.
I think it's in Brisbane.
Samok, ha? Yeah, somewhere Queensland.
But your house came like this, like you can
I
go
don't
around.
open.
Yes, honey.
There's a
No,
street.
not the one.
Not to reverse it.
Okay, open siya, Mama. Don't shout, anak. Celine is sleeping.
Yay!
That's the same one I have.
Which one are you getting?
Yeah, look.
I'm getting this one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's near Cleveland.
I just feel
Come on inside.
Okay, here we go, mommy.
This one?
I want
It's near. No. Morningside is just there near green slopes and stuff.
Morningside, Balmoral, Hawthorne.
That's near the Gateway Motorway.
Yeah, so it's not north. It's not north.
There you go.
It's south of the river,
Okay.
but east of Beaudesert Road.
Oh, I want to have one.
The centre of Brisbane.
I
and then
wanna
down the
have
map,
Of
and then
course
there's
you
the
can
river.
have one, my
Oh.
love. Do you want to put it in
This?
your...
It's not
Yeah?
It's technically north side, but
Paris,
it's
do you want to put it in here, my love?
Cannon Hill.
Which one? You can choose.
That's not north side.
Yeah, but it's not like Chermside because
This
if I
one? This one?
if I
Okay.
if I say north,
Not the better one, because this one has to
Are you
be.
guys close to the river?
Which one?
Is it close to the river?
What's this mine?
Close enough.
Morningside is
nah, bro, you can get your trailer in for sure.
Chicken,
No, I mean
maybe?
like you can.
I don't want
So that I don't have to go. Like,
I don't want
go there and go around the street.
No, that's... Yeah, then I'll get you one.
Like,
Paris, cheers. And the winner is
Paris
Mackenzie.
Yeah! Good job.
Birthday!
Well done, baby. Good drinking. Yeah, here you go. Wait. Give me the trophy. And presenting the winner of the gold medal of coke guzzling, it is none other than the Paris Nicole Mackenzie.
Speech!
What do you have to say, Paris?
And I thank you. Now go like that.
Thank you.
Like this.
It's so filler, right? That's a filler thing.
Thank you.
That's a filler. When there's like, there's only one left.
Taking the
Who's gonna
last
take it?
Lucky there's a white person here to do that.
No, there's a Chinese person over there too.
He'll probably try and sell it for me.
Let's go.
For coming, huh?
Mommy!
Thank you all for coming.
Thanks for having us.
Ours in here. Thank you all for coming.
Oh yeah, are you recording?
Yeah, bye everyone.
Yeah.
Bye bye. They're going. Yes, honey. They're going.
Picture my friend.
Ala,
No.
this is not.
Sige na, Sate. Sige ba?
You have my wallet?
Okay, go.
Here you go. Ala, nagkagubot din yung luyo eh. Pakaulan.
Bye bye, Paris.
Say bye bye. Bye bye, tita. Bye bye, tita.
Bye.
Bye bye.
I'm going now.
Bye.
Bye, Paris.
Say bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for coming, ha. See you soon.
Check it, Mike. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Wait, there's a... Drive safe, Anton. Thank you. They're going.
I want to go down.
Nakaalis na ang lahat, guys. Umuwi na sila kasi may work pa bukas. So, yeah, yan yung araw natin. It's been a long day. Our Ate Paris is there now in bed. And as you can hear, nanonood pang ating Daddy Mike ng kanyang ano. Ang tawag ito, what was that, Daddy? Australian Open?
Yeah.
And this one is asleep here. See? Oh, gosh, sleeping girl. Say hi, Ate. Can you wave from there, Ate? See if I can see you.
You see these pictures now, this is what it all means to the team because
Wave.
they know the pain and the suffering,
Can you see yourself?
the hard times that they've had.
Yeah, because we have the lights off now, guys. Ito na lang yung
That's what makes
on
these
off
moments
yung ang bedside na lamp. So yeah, we are going to end the vlog here now. Kasi early pa kami bukas, guys. Kasi tomorrow, finally, we're going to get the key for our house. So, very, very exciting day tomorrow. Obviously, magba-vlog tayo para ma-share namin sa inyong lahat. Guess what's that na?
holding the trophy aloft.
What's that?
Not sure he would have.
Ayan, that's for Celine.
I mean, he's come a long way, hasn't he?
Yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Ayan. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Huh? Do you want to come in here? No, okay, come here.
He deserves this moment.
Yeah. It's dark. Okay. Sorry, dark na ka.
Oh, just do it in the nice way.
Yung gusto ni Ate Paris na thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Careful, bye.
Grand Slam finals now, losing both in heartache. 5-set marathons once.